Alright, I'm back. So, I picked up a, I don't know if you can see that or not, 100 AC. And in red. So this is a okay, this is a burst sheet for it. And then 70 by 2. Stereo 1 ohm. 972. Rated power. 1900 by 1. At 12 volts. 1903. Alright. Of course, you get your owner's manual with it. Looks like you get a warranty card. Make sure you guys fill those out and send them in, or scan them and email them. I don't know how they take them. All right. Comes with mounting hardware. And I'm not going to take it out of the plastic right now because I'm not quite ready to put it into the car yet. I'm waiting on a few more things. But, man, it's gorgeous. Very nice. The red really pops. It's definitely a beautiful amp. Alright, let's see what we got here. Owner's manual, warranty card, back in. Birth certificate, back in. And I ordered 2 of the 12-inch booms, so I will get those on film when I start putting them in, because I really don't want to take them out of the box and take a chance on damaging them, because I've got a little one that runs around, and God knows what you'll put in there. So anyway, well, I appreciate you watching. I'm excited to get this stuff put in the car and keep you guys updated. Thank you.